Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Craft Gallery. If you enjoy creativity and love discovering new DIY craft ideas, then you are in the absolutely right place. On this channel, we explore simple, creative and beautiful craft ideas that everyone can try at home. Sometimes we think that making something beautiful requires expensive material or special skill. But the truth is, creativity is not about expensive tools. It's about imagination. Even the most ordinary things around us can turn into something amazing when we look at them a creative mindset. DIY crafts are a wonderful way to bring creativity into everyday life. With simple material like paper, cardboard, jars, bottle or even old boxes, you can create decorations that make your space look unique and stylish. Many people enjoy decorating their homes with beautiful items. But instead of buying decoration from the store, creating something with your own hands can be more satisfying. Homemade crafts are a personal touch that makes them feel more meaningful and special. A simple piece of paper can turn into an elegant decoration when it is folded, cut and arranged. Creativity, color, pattern and shape completely change the look of a simple material. This is the magic of a DIY craft. Another wonderful thing about crafting is that help us reuse things that we normally throw away. Many everyday objects can be transformed into creative decoration pieces. For example, a plain glass jar can become a beautiful candle holder, and an empty bottle can turn into a stylish flowers vase with just a little creativity. DIY crafting, it is not about decoration. It is also about enjoying the process of creating something with your own hands. When you spend time crafting, it allows you to relax and focus on something positive and creative. Many people find crafting very calming. It can be a great way to take a break from a busy day and spend some time doing something enjoyable. It is also give you the freedom to experiment and create designs that reflect your own personal style. Another great thing about DIY craft is that they can be shared with others. You can create homemade decorations for your home, thoughtful gifts for friends and family, or even fun projects to do together. The best part is that there are no strict rules to creativity. Everyone can create something different using the same idea. A small change in a color, shape or design can give a completely new look at a craft. Sometimes the most beautiful creation come from the simplest idea. All it takes is a little imagination and the willingness to try something new. So, if you enjoy creative activity and love exploring DIY ideas, I encourage you to try making something beautiful today. You might be surprised by how creative you can be. If you enjoy these creative ideas and inspiration, please support the channel by liking this video. Your support really helps the channel grow. And if you want to see more amazing DIY craft inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to DIY Craft Gallery and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more creative DIY craft ideas.